Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be talking about my first ever bulk and I'm going to take you through all the details, how I did it and what the results were. So this was my starting point. This was right at the end of a little 6-week mini cut that I did. So this photo was taken on the 4th of May and I was around 69 kilograms and about 12.4% body fat. I think I was just under 69 kilograms actually. So quite lean, got ab definition. This is a good point to actually start a bulk from. If I was to start a bulk at a higher body fat percentage, like in the high teens, something like that, you don't have much leeway before you start getting like really soft, and it's very difficult to actually sustain a bulk when you just lose all that definition and you don't look too good. So I definitely recommend leaning down first to around this level and then starting a bulk. So here are the numbers. As I said, I started at around 68.5 kilos and just under 13% body fat with 57 kilos of muscle. And I finished with 82 kilograms, total weight, 15.9% body fat, and just over 65 kilos of muscle. And this was across 19 weeks. So if you look at the gain per week, it was around 0.7 kilos, and about 0.45 kilos of that was muscle. And that gives a total percentage of 63% of the weight gain being muscle, which is great. And that's according to my body composition scales. And anything over 50% is good. So when you're bulking, even if you're doing a lean bulk, it's not really possible to just purely gain muscle. Like you're going to gain fat as well. You just sort of have to accept that. And anything over like 50-50 is a good target to aim for. So here was the finishing point on the 17th of September. So yeah, 19 weeks later, I was 82 kilos and 15.9% body fat. So I put on in total 13.5 kilos, and that was an extra 3% in body fat. Now you might be thinking, why did I stop there? It was my initial plan to get to at least like 85 kilos. This is the first time which I'd ever been over 80 kg as well. I got very close one time in 2023, and I was just purely focusing on weight. I wasn't tracking body composition at all, and honestly, I was just looking very soft. I was like 19% body fat and like 79 kilos, and it didn't look good. So yeah, I got up above 80 kilos for the first time, which is a great feeling. And I did want to carry on, but then I got ill. And this is probably the most ill I've ever been. I never missed more than like a day or two in a row of work or uni or school, like ever. And actually ended up missing like over a week of work, which is unheard of. And I obviously wasn't training. And I pretty much had a good like 2.5, even like 3 weeks out of the gym. And my appetite was just zero. I'd go some days like barely eating anything, just a couple of snacks. And yeah, it's frustrating because all that progress I'd made in the 19 weeks, well, not all of it, but a lot of it, it just came like peeling off. And you can see there's a lot of red there. And yeah, the total damage was around 6 kilos in 15 days, and did get back down to 76 kilos. So I sort of had to, go again, which is frustrating, but I'm going to make a video on this about how to deal with setbacks and sort of like how I dealt with it. And that'll be coming up soon. So here was my bulking strategy. So first step is to get visible abs, which is like 12% body fat or lower. And then you want to gain around 0.2 to 0.6 kilos per week, and that's total weight. And how I calculated that was I would take my daily weigh-ins for the week, average it out, and then I'd compare that average to the next week's average. And if the difference fell in between this range, then I'd change nothing. And if it was under this, then obviously need to increase the food. And if it was over, then I'd try and pull back. But as you saw earlier, I did actually average 0.7 kilos per week. So I definitely could have like pulled it back a little bit. But yeah, if you're in this range, then you're good to go. As I mentioned, 50-50 muscle to fat gain is a good target. Anything over that is great. And pretty much keep going until you can't take any more, until you feel like you're literally force feeding yourself, like you can't really take on any more food and the weight has like plateaued. Usually a good point to sort of stop at bulk is as you're approaching like 20% body fat. Like you can keep going if you like, but you will be looking soft and you won't have any ab definition at that point. So yeah, pretty much between like 10 and 20% body fat is like a good range to start cutting and bulking. So here are the two progress pictures next to each other. Definitely looking thicker. One thing is my face actually starts to look kind of bloated as I increase in body fat, like you can definitely notice. But I think there's a good amount of size there. And I've actually started another lean bulk. I'm going again. So after that initial bulk and I got ill, then I basically started to bulk again. And then I got up to about 78 kilograms. And then I started the carnivore diet. And literally in the first like 2 weeks of the carnivore diet, I lost another like 4 kilos. So I was back down to like sort of 72, 73. And then things like plateaued out for like a few weeks. And then now I'm basically starting the lean bulk again. And, you know, I think this could be quite a long one. Hoping I'll be able to get up to at least like 85, maybe even more before I start another cut again. So that's just sort of where I'm at now. So in total, I gained 13.5 kilos of total weight and 8.5 kilos of muscle. I went from 12.5% body fat to pretty much 16, and this was done in 19 weeks. And this is by no means perfect, but these are just my results, and I think they're quite realistic. I wasn't counting calories at all. I was just going off the weight, and if it was too high, I'd pull it back. Training probably on average 5 times a week with quite high volume and like higher reps than I am used to. So I usually do like I was doing 3 days a week strength training before this, with like lower reps and lower volume. But then when I went on this lean bulk, I upped it to around 5 times a week, and I was doing sort of higher reps up to like 12, and doing more exercises. So I added a couple exercises per session. So I'm used to doing about 5 exercises per session, and I upped that to about 7. And yeah, I definitely saw some strength increases and weight increases. And yeah, I hope to basically get up to around 85 kilos. I'm 5'10", so that's sort of my next goal. If you want some help with the initial period leaning down, to see those abs and get yourself in a position to start lean bulking, then click the first link in the description. It will be to my coaching page. It'd be good to have a chat and see if I can help you out. So that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.